In this quick video, I will show you how to fix PayPal error while linking debit card. If you're using your mobile device for this process, make sure you go to the PayPal website rather than using the PayPal app. The PayPal app has very limited functionality, so it's best to use the website for this. First, check the issuer of your debit or credit card. PayPal only accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover cards. If you're trying to use a card from another network, it won't be accepted. Second, make sure your card is activated for online transactions. This includes point of sale or e-commerce payments and also for international transactions. You can check whether these options are enabled by visiting your bank's website or using its mobile app. Third, while linking your debit or credit card to PayPal, you need to enter the correct billing address. This should be the address you used when applying for the card, typically your home address or current residential address. Make sure this address exactly matches the one on file with your bank. Only then will you be able to successfully add the card to your PayPal account. If these 3 steps don't work, your best option is to contact PayPal support. Note that you might not be able to contact PayPal support directly through the mobile app. This is how you can resolve issues when trying to add a debit or credit card to PayPal. Thank you for watching.